Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're back in the garage, back with the truck. As you can see, we have headlights taped. We have one that's already painted. What we're doing is plasti dipping some chrome areas. We got a pretty badass grill coming our way, so stay tuned. But for now, we need to do some prep work, and we need to make sure we're black on both sides so we don't have a black grill with chrome headlights. Plasti dip is the best because if you mess up, you can peel it off, you can tear it off. If there's anything you don't like, it can be redone. If you spray paint, do different things, it can't. So let's get to it. So this side is already done. As you can see, the chrome is now black. It is plasti dipped, nice and smooth. This side has been taped. I'm going to put the paper around it. Overspray is not very good with plasti dip, so we'll get started and show you that now. So here's our plasti dip that we are using. It is just a flat black. We're not using any chrome. The biggest advice I can give you with plasti dip is be patient. Be patient. Multiple coats. I've done this enough. I've messed it up enough. So make sure you do one coat. Make sure it completely dries, and then start your second one. Okay guys, so we got this side done. In the montage you saw me pulling it off. You have to be very, very careful. I'm going to give you a close-up and show you two areas where plasti dip could be a mess. Okay, so here's the first point. You see right there that little bit of silver and a little bit of silver there, the chrome, that's underneath. Everything else turned out amazing. Get some light. Looks nice, it looks clean. It is flat, I didn't use any gloss on it. I want it flat because I think the grill is going to be like that. But that spot, and then, oh, we got some spots right here. So you see down in there, you get some of that chrome right there. So what happens is if your tape, if you don't have a good line between your tape and the part you're painting, when you pull it off, the plasti dip will actually stick to the paint, pull up, and that's what happens. So you have to be very, very careful that you have a good separation between the tape and the surface so that when you do pull the tape off, it will remove very simple. So we're gonna get the other side done here. I think that turned out pretty cool. We'll give you an outside clip once we are done. This side turned out a ton better. I don't know why, but there it is. We had one issue, like I said, on the other side right there. So tomorrow when we start doing the grill install, I'm going to tape that off, put a couple coats on it, see if I can get it to blend back in. I'm going to do that on this side and the other side. But there you go, plasti dip the chrome on your truck. I may do the bumpers, not sure yet, but we'll get that new grill in, see how this looks, and we'll go from there. So there you have it, guys. Quick, easy, turn that chrome into black. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get the channel up there. We're gonna be making tons of videos. Like I said, new grill coming soon. Stay tuned for that video. I think you're going to love it. I haven't seen anybody with this grill yet. Really gonna change the truck. I'll put the links and descriptions and everything down below, and we will see you on the next one.